how we can remove iSTOCK marker from iSTOCK videos and photos. Please note, this video is only for training purpose. If you want to use any iSTOCK photo or image or video for any commercial purpose, please use proper license. Let's begin. In the screen, you can find that we have iSTOCK video. First, I'm going to download it. After download video, you can upload the same video into this vidmix.app. You can see that this is the video with iSTOCK marker. Yeah. Remember, you need to take a screenshot where you can not. Remember, you need to take a screenshot so that you do not block any other element in this video frame. So we are going to take this screenshot because it is not blocking any of the moving elements. Now, to take a screenshot, we are going to export it, PNG still. We have taken a shot, and now we are going to open Adobe Firefly. So once you open Firefly, you can go to generative fill. You can upload your image. Now you can see that we have uploaded in Adobe Firefly. We're going to click on remove, and then we are going to remove this iSTOCK marker, just this part. After that, we are going to click on remove. So let's wait till it process. Adobe Firefly is based on AI, and it will completely block. It will completely remove this iSTOCK marker. Remember, this is just a screenshot. If you are not satisfied with the results, you can do again. And these are the results you get. Pretty good, right? So you can pick any of them, keep it. Since I am not a premium member, so when I download, I will have Adobe Firefly logo here. Now, but it doesn't matter. We will go back to vidmix.app. We are going to upload that static image that we have just downloaded from Adobe Firefly. Now in this Adobe image, we are going to rub all part that we don't need. Basically what we are doing is, we are moving our image. So this is the video. So basically this is the video where we want to remove iSTOCK part, and this is the image from where we are only going to keep this part, because this is the static part that we are going to keep, and we will remove the whole portion. So now I'm removing all part. So let's clean it. So that we can capture all the moving elements and just keep the portion that had logo, keep that part as static. You may not need tool if you can do it on MS Paint. I hope you get the concept. And now we are going to finish this part. Since I'm not doing it precision, I'm just doing it for the demonstration purpose. I think this is all the static part that we have. And now we are going to bring our video on top of it, video on behind it. And this is how we can play around it. We can even make it little bigger or smaller to suit, so that it covers the eyes static part. Yeah, I think like this one. And when we play, the effect will be something like this. you can spread it in the entire video. And finally, you can see the effect, something like this. Of course, you can optimize it so that it is more precision. So you can do some tweaking, and then you find this is the moving. I think it's pretty cool, right? If there are some markers, of course you can do some tweaking here, and finally you can export the video. Let's see after doing the fine tuning, let's see the final video. So that's all, guys. If you like my video, please remember to subscribe and give me thumbs up. Thank you.